Light in the Box online shopping download and installation process full guide. Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So now you have to go Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm just going to open the Google Play Store and search here Light in the Box. This is the online platform. Light in the Box online shopping. So you can see this has a state. So simply click here and then you can see this is one, like you can see a Light in the Box online shopping. So this is online shopping and online marketplace. You can see 4.9 rating of the app out of 5 and 250k reviews, 63 megabyte and 10 million plus people already download this app. So simply tap on the install. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number and thank you for watching.